I'm here with
Paul Honeyman,
and
Head of Product Management for Vaillant Group.
and he's going to pick a misconception.
Totally at random. The first misconception is heat pumps always need a backup system. And I assume by that we're referring to electrical backup for additional heat. So heat pumps now are typically sized, or their output is sized to deliver that heat output at -3. So if you're designing a heating system at -3, then the heat pump load, let's say it's a 7 kilowatt load, should be able to pick up 100% of that load at -3. And therefore no electrical backup heating system is required, especially with a high performance Vaillant Aerotherm Plus.
You heard it here.